Hello everybody, welcome back to another episode. This is the 8th part of the series we are working on called MERN Stack audio streaming series. So far we already create a lot of things and our series is close to finish. So on the previous video we work with mostly uploading page and also audio and also and on the previous video I told you that I'm gonna work with like button and audio command and book button. So I covered like button and now I'm gonna start with bookmark button. Okay, so bookmark button means this is the things. If you click on it, so now it's unsaved. Uh, if you click on it, it's saved. So you can see instantly the the update, right? So yeah, let's understand. So it's very similar to like button, and the same things we import. Okay, and this is a toggle bookmark, function. So we can call it. We can import from audio slide, and then yeah, similar things. The current user from user global state, and then each bookmark and local loading. It's a locally defined use state. So this is the setter function. So with help of this setter function, we can update this each bookmark. Okay, so I think you know very well use state. And yeah, this is the use effect. So on previous video, like on previous like button, similarly we use use effect, but here we have a different type, right? So just we use if state. um, so if current users and save audios exist, run this block of code. Okay, so this is the bookmark variable name, and we are trying to figure out the things is that you current user is equal to save audio. We are using sum. So sum provides true or false. It's written true or false. So this is the entry. So we are passing parameter. So this parameter, it act like inside this audio ID. So we are assign all the things inside ID. So entry dot audio ID. Okay, so this ID. Okay, so this audio ID inside. So we have save audio. Okay, so inside save audio ID field we have a user audio ID array. So this ID from that audio ID. Okay, and then we are returning. We return audio ID string, which means this audio ID, and this audio ID comes from this audio ID from parents component like audio player. Okay, if they are equal, okay, so if they are equal, that means it's true, right? So if it's true, then that setter function make it true, this one, right? So if it's true, so that means now it become true. So if it become true, so instantly it update UI. It's UI, right? So that is the things. Now it's become true, and this is the handle bookmark. If you're not a current user, provide this message. Please log in to bookmark audio. and this is the infinite audio ID, and this is the optimistic update. Set each bookmark prev, yeah, just replace it, and then I called toggle bookmark function with this audio ID, and yeah, then set each bookmark catch block, and yeah, it's similar to like button, same UI. If it's true, show it. If it's not, then show it. And yeah, if it's true, then show this icon, otherwise this icon, and also UI. True, save, or unsave. Right? So yeah, this is a similar to like button, but now I'm going to explain again the audio slice, because guys, we have two approaches. One approach is directly, other is indirectly. So this is our direct approach. So you can see we have double toggle bookmark. So this is the indirect approach, and this is the direct approach. So first, I'm just telling you the direct approach. So direct approach means this is the audio ID comes from that function, that component, and yeah, dispatch, reject, you guys know, but why I'm using dispatch, just hold, like, wait up for a second, and all the response we assign inside data, and this is the console log, and then we are calling this fetch current users. Why is that? Because inside current user, inside user document, we have save audio file. That's why we have to update audio ID inside that save audio ID, right? So inside audio slice, we don't have current user. That's why we are calling this fetch current users. So yeah, and then same things, audio ID from comes from backend, and a bookmark also data bookmark. So yeah, and also bookmark audios. This is a new field, so we can track it. And yeah, this is a direct approach. And audio ID bookmark comes from that data, okay? And if bookmark is true, run this block of code. If not, run this block of code, right? So this, and inside to also use another if state. So state dot bookmark bookmark audios. Inside, if audio it not exist, that means update this audio ID inside bookmark audio. We are pushing this audio ID inside this bookmark audio, and this a field we are define and state, initial state. Here you are, right? So it's an array, so we can track it. And else state bookmark, if exists, that means there is an error. There is a audio ID inside that. So filter it. This audio ID and this ID. If match, then remove it. And also update state audio and current audio for consistency. You also update this audio for everywhere, right? So yeah, state audio is fine. If this ID and this ID match, then run. So it's become true. So bookmark audio user bookmark. So it's become true. Otherwise, state current audio match, then state current audio user bookmark make it true, right? Yeah, it's very simple, right? So yeah, this is a toggle bookmark. This is a direct approach. And indirect approach, you can see the code. Okay, same things, but indirect means inside user slice we have to call again the, you can see the toggle bookmark. So yeah, so here we are just assign this entire users inside current users, right? So then current user update. So I would like to use the direct approach, but you can use indirect approach, right? It's up to you guys. And yeah, so this is the bookmark button, and now we're going to work with the audio comment button. Also it's similar. So this is the audio comment toggle function, and we dispatch it. We call the use dispatch, and current audio loading error comes from audio. Okay, and current user from users, user global state, comment text and set comment text to the state as empty. Success message, set success message. Why? Let me show you. If you click on it, okay. So let's say I want to comment. Hi. So yeah, hi. So you can see the message comment post successfully, right? So yeah, that is the success message I want to show you locally and handle comment submission. Yeah. So comment text and trim out. Then yeah, then I use try block. I dispatch add comment with audio ID and the comment text in content and then unwrap. Then I clear the inputs and set success message comment post successfully, and and within 3 seconds this comment post successfully will be cleared, and then catch. This is the loading state for initial audio loading comment, right? And this is the UI comments. If audio errors, show the errors, then show the message. If current users, then show the form. Handle add comment. Then this is a text array. You can put the comment, and yeah, set comment text, each target value, and yeah, it's a button posting and post comment. If not, if you are not a login users, show these things. Login to leave a comment and all the comment list. So current audio dot command and current audio command length is greater than 0, and show this entire UI. It's a ternary operator. So I have to go through map, so I can list out all the document, all the text comment. So current audio dot commands, so it's a field inside audio, and then map, and then yeah, then image. Image means the author who put their comment on the audio, and author name, and the date, which date they are, on which date they comment. So and also I'm using US date format. So yeah, and also it's a month, day, year, hour, minute, all the things I should care about. And yeah, if no comment, be the first to comment. This is the audio comment field page, right? You can see. And yeah, your audio is good. So you can see August 13, 2025, 10:35 a.m. Right? Yeah. And yeah, this is the comment button. And if you want to see on phone, mobile version. So yeah, you can see comment, and yeah, here you can comment. It's so cool, right? It's so cool. Yeah, and yeah, this is comment page, and now I'm gonna work with this audio player. Because this is a audio player. You can listen to music, audio. Just listen.
Your feelings want comfort. They want excuses. But greatness?
So even you can skip 10 seconds. Look at it.
The one who wants to quit, who avoids how you feel.
Backward 10 seconds,
Show up.
and you also can
Get it done, no matter what.
or reduce the
Fighting the same person,
and also
yourself.
speed up
The one who wants to quit,
5,
who avoids pain. Kill that. Show up. Your feelings want comfort. They want excuses.
speed
But
up
greatness?
6,
It doesn't care how you feel. Show up.
right?
Get it done, no matter what. Every day, you're fighting the same person, yourself. The one who wants to quit, who avoids pain. But greatness?
Right? Yes. This is the code we are going to achieve. So it will be very long code because a lot of logic out there. So just put your patience on it using use effect, use ref, use state, dispatch, use selector, use params, motion, skeleton. So skeleton means this is the skeleton. Now every platform you can see the skeleton. So we are using the library, all the icon, and here we are importing like button, bookmark button, audio comment button. Also we are using fetch audio, update audio as viewed. This is the two audio. This is the two function, right? So with this function we can increase the view sheet. If you look at it, the one view, right? So you are. Let's say you already. I think if you refresh it, no, I think I already viewed it. I don't know, man. Yeah, so there is no view, right? So yeah, if you refresh it, you can see I increase view sheet, right? Yeah. And yeah, let's go default function audio player, and yeah, and this ID comes from params, use params, right? Because ID structure in the app.js, so the way ID structure, that way you can get here. And yeah, it's a loading. I think we don't need this loading, right? Because we have a local loading. Current audio error, and they are coming from audio reducer, and lot of statement like use state in each playing, set playing, progress, set progress bar, duration, set duration, volume, set volume, playback rate, set playback rate, each initial loading, set initial loading, all the things. It's true and it's false. One, right? So first use effect, and all the set is initial loading true, and then a dispatch fetch audio ID finally, and then false. Also dispatch update audio as a view unwrap, right? And yeah, this is the use effect. And toggle play means this button.
The most powerful.
So audio ref. So audio ref with current. So I'm using here, right? Ref. This use ref. So yeah, and you can see I'm assign audio ref. So use ref null audio ref, right? Yeah. So yeah, if audio ref current is not, return nothing, and if it's plain, return audio ref dot current then pause. right? Otherwise, audio ref current play catch the error, playback failed, and set is playing this. So yeah, this is the toggle play, and then one time update, one time update, one time. Then if audio ref current is not exist, return null. If exist, then audio ref current time, and set progress current divided by duration multiply 100. This
powerful relationship you'll ever have
update
is the one with
here
your
it's update
survive.
here it's
Powerful
update,
relation.
right? So with this logic we are tracking audio ref dot current return, audio ref current time, and then we are multiply current divided by duration, whatever duration we have, and then where you are divided by yeah, multiply by hundreds, right? Yeah, and then one loaded metadata. Audio ref if audio ref no exist, null nothing. If exist, set the duration. Audio ref current dot duration. So we are extracting the duration, and then audio ref current volume. Audio ref current playback rate is equal to playback rate. So we are destructuring and we are getting the metadata, because we are going to work with this data, and then handle seek, which means volume. We are extracting volume of value, okay, and same audio ref current time, then value divided by 100, and then duration, set progress value, right? And then skip backward and skip forward. Backward means uh, this, this is the backward, this is the forward. So yeah, 10 second same. If audio ref current not exist, return null, nothing. Audio ref current time, then max 0, then audio ref current time minus 10, and then set progress audio ref current time divided by duration, then multiply 100. Skip forward similar to skip backward, just here we have 10 plus, that's it, and we have minimum, so minimum 10 second and maximum 10 second, that's it. Handle volume change, new volume, parse float number, a value, and then set volume, new volume. If null, return nothing. If it is, then audio ref current, then volume is equal to new volume. Yes, then toggle mute. You also can mute here like this, so which means I reduce the entire volume. So yeah, so yeah, if volume greater than 0, then set volume 0, audio ref current volume 0, and then else audio ref current volume, yeah, and then set volume 1, right? This is the toggle mute, and then handle playback rate change, speed, new rate, parse float, target volume. Sorry, it's I can increasing, yeah, the speed, set playback rate, new rate, audio current return, audio ref current playback rate, new return. So yeah, then toggle command handle. Let's see. So yeah, it's a like it's this toggle. If you click on it, you can see them open up, close. So yeah, nothing else. And then format time. Just I format all the time. Yeah, minutes max floors second by 60. Yeah, it's very simple, guys. You can understand. And then initializing loading. Yeah, skeleton. So I just yeah, this is the initial loading. So here I create the skeleton UI. So at first you can see the UI. Yeah, this UI. This UI. So here I just and this is the skeleton with yeah. Also it's an error. See error, you can get error. And if current audio was not exist, return null. And this is the UI. So we have entire a div. This is the entire div. And this is the first div. And yeah, inside this div we have motion div. Yeah, this is the motion code. You can see multiple times. And this is the cover. Current dot audio, the thumbnail, and yeah, h4 rounded, and yeah, this is the cover and thumbnail. This is details and control. Current audio ID. This is the ID. This is the title. Yeah, so details and control. Current title and action button. First button is views. Current audio view count. We have this view count inside audio document. This is a view, right? And this is a like button. So here you are. We are sending audio ID, and we are accessing this audio ID from this current audio ID. Also bookmark audio ID. Also you are sending. We are accessing current audio ID, right? This is the two button we are sending, and this is the second button, motion button, like now. And yeah, toggle command, hide command, show command. Yeah, and this is a toggle command. And yeah, this is the action button, and this is the progress bar. Here you are. This is the progress bar. So first give the input range 0 maximum 100. Step 0.1 value progress, one change handle seek, and then class name, right? And then also we have format time, progress give 100, duration, format time, duration, and then control, playback control, skip backward 10 seconds, right? And then toggle play and pause audio, play audio, each playing, pause, play, and then also again skip forward, same logic. And then volume and playback speed. So yeah, playback rate, and then handle playback, rate change. Yeah, this is the things, rate change. And yeah, you can see even you can add more. Like now if you look at YouTube, so YouTube have much more. So you can add like this. And yeah, then toggle mute, unmute, mute audio. And then you also can change the icon. And yeah, range, step, handle volume change. And yeah, and this is a conditionally render audio command. So yeah, we already covered, and now it's time. Then you can see this icon. So if toggle command is exist, then show this entire UI audio command. So yeah, audio command, and then audio ID, and we are extracting this audio ID, ID audio command, and then hidden audio element have to hidden, right? Because this is the audio, like audio ref, parent audio, and yeah, we are using audio. Okay, this is the built-in tag, but we are hiding. Guys, this is the code and logic. So if you don't understand, now guys, nowadays it's very easy. If you don't understand anything, ask ChatGPT or any AI tools, because I encourage you to do that, because the more you practice, the more you play with AI tools, the better understanding you can get. But I'm here for just understanding, just just I'm here for show you how backend and frontend link each other and talk each other. That's it. So yeah, so you are audio command, audio player, bookmark button, like button, update audio, and now we have just wall audio's file. This is the wall audio file. But before discussing audio file, but we have to discuss first content card grid, because we are importing this, and then inside we are passing all the props. So yeah, so import, use, fake, use. So this is the content card grid. So content card grid means you can see same UI. This is the home page. You can see the same UI. This is the this is the this is the explore page. You can see the same UI. So yeah. So I define content card grid. Okay, on this page I just define and then I use multiple time. So yeah, this is the things: import, motion, animated presence, and then link, skeleton, right? And yeah, so here you are passing two things: title, thumb, selector. This three comes from the parents, and this is the children component. And yeah, you also you also destructuring items, loading, error, total page from selector, right? And this selector come from this selector, and shallow equal, and then page, set page, and then use effect. We dispatch thunk, and these thunks also come from the parents, and then we provide page limit 6, and then yeah, this is the use effect, and then card variation, hidden, opacity, and visible, and we return selection. This is the tag selection, and then title, okay, and error, and it's a loading. If it's loading true, then show the skeleton, right? You can see, guys, if I refresh, so you can see the skeleton, right? Yeah, and if not, if loading is false, means we have a data. So see this div. So we have grid column 1 for small screen. Above small screen we have 2, and then more than small we have 4. So let me show you what I try to mean by that. This is a small screen. So if you increase 1, then we have 2. So this is for tablet, and then if you increase, become it become now uh, laptop version, right? So you can see also pagination. Yeah. So yeah. So if if item length is greater than 0, show this item, and motion, and this is the motion div, variants, initial, animate, exist, will hover, right? And this is the item thumbnail, and this is the title, item category. If item category exists, so this UI category, and then access from item, and also this is the motion, no audio found, and then pagination. It's not loading. It's not loading, and item length greater than 0. So this UI. So one click, set page, maximum 1, and then page is equal to 1, and then previous, and then page of total page, and one click, math minimum pre plus 1 total page, and nothing else. So yeah, it's very simple, and this is the content card grid, right? And now I can explain to you forward you. So here you are, we fetch, import this fetch forward you. This is the function, this is the function, all the audio we have, and then content card. This is the component. So inside this component, we are passing all the props, right? And the title, all audios, and the tongue, we call this fetch all audio, page 1, limit 6, and then we are providing selector, right? We can see here. You are, title, tongue, selector. This is the title, this is the tongue, and this is the selector. Inside selector, we have items. So we are getting from audios, loading, we are getting from loading, error, and total page. So already we have audio slice. We have audio slice. Total page 1, then this is the audios. So all the audios we sign up. If you look at the fetch all audio, fetch all audio, yeah, it's a full free. If fetch all audio, successfully, all the response we assign in this audio, and then all the page also we assign total page, right? So yeah, and yeah, so this is the wall audio. Now also further, we are going to use this wall audio component, right? So yeah, so like when your project grows larger and larger, so at first you want to separate as small as your component should be. The more small it is, the more maintainable and scalable would be in future, right? So yeah, now I'm gonna work with search input and search result. So I'll show you. So if you are in explore page, if you search anything, let's say broke, so it can redirect you the search result page, so where you can see the pagination, right? And yeah, also if you look at on the header, okay, if you look at on the header, let's say search also, let's say mindset, if you click on it, also you can redirect the result page, right? And it works similarly for mobile. So if you are, but in mobile we don't have the search on like on header, but we have in explore, right? Yeah. So first let's work with search input. It's very easy, and we import use state, use navigate, motion, if search. This is search input. function. Okay, and we will navigate search term, set search term, use state empty string, and then handle, and yeah, set search term e dot target dot value, and then we handle search submission. Yeah, handle search. I think if you, yeah, similar logic I already put on my handle, my header. So similar things I just putting here. Handle search, e dot prevent default, and then search dot trim, and then navigate to the search page dynamically, and then set search term. And yeah, this is the form. Inside form we have search term, one change, and yeah, it's the code and submit button. Yeah, this is the search input, right? So nothing else, basic things. And we have search result. So we have this big code, 210 line of code, use effect, use state. So all the things, basic things we import. Okay, you can see, and this is the fetch all audios, and we are calling from audio slice. And yeah, so if you look at here, and I'm also call this fetch all audio inside all audios and also in result, because you know what I'm saying. So if you look at my backend code, get all audio, so inside that one controller I handle all the things. Yeah, you can create separately, but one controller can handle all the things, maybe search query, maybe fetching all the all the video, right? So yeah, and then dispatch and location, use location, and all the things come from audio reducers, audio loading error, total pages. And this is the console log. I think, yeah, and playing audio, set playing audio, page, set page, and use state, and parts query parameter. Query, then yeah, URL search params, location search, and then search term, query, queue, right? So URL search params, it helps you to redirect location search, and then fetch search result, use effect, search dot trim, and then we call dispatch with fetch all audios, and we are search and page limit 6, right? And then we handle audio play pause. Here you are. Here you are. You can see here, right? Yeah. And yeah, like it's not an issue. Like if you don't like to put it, remove it. But I show you the, you can also handle it. So that is the things, nothing else. This is the entire code. Playing audio. Yeah. Set playing audio. Else playing audio. It's a easy code, right? And use effect, return, playing audio is true, then playing audio dot audio pause, then animation variation, right? And yeah, then header, search result for, this is the result. Yeah, even if you don't like to see, remove it. And yeah, this is the loading state. It's loading to show the skeleton. You can see, man. You can see the skeleton and the error state. Get error and say that animated presence, audio length greater than 0, so the entire code. So I just map it in audios it's an array. So yeah, I map it just, and yeah, keep audio ID, initial ID, animate, exist, and then this is the link, audio slice, audio ID. So if you click on it, so you can go that playing page or audio player page. Yeah, so yeah, and the simple things, then title, description, category, tags, view count, and yeah, pause, found, and then pagination. I've already discussed this pagination inside all what you so same logic, nothing else, right? You guys see, this is the title, this is the description, this is the category, this is the tag, this is the view, right? Yeah, because it's a result. But this logic is not similar to this 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 is the different, right? So yeah, so this is a result, search result, this is a search input. So what did you talk about all the features, audio features, search features, right? And yeah, so far we covered all the features. So first we can see, or you can see, all the features we covered: the header, the sidebar, and this 4 page just left. Home, this is the home page, this is the explore page, this is the library page, this is the profile page. Okay, so all the code we have to import, we have to integrate. So yeah, so first I'm gonna work with this profile page. So we have this edit profile, delete account, log out, and upload content. So we already talked about upload content, and just we have left edit profile. Edit profile means if you click on it, you can change anything, right? So first I create it, then I can show the result actually working or not. So let's update profile page. Yeah, so this is the import, all the things we import, and yeah, we name it function update users, and then yeah, dispatch, navigate, id, use params, and then current user, loading, error, use state, fetch current user if not available. So if current user is not exist, run this fetch current users. Okay, yeah, and handle load state, loading user data, and then ensure the user is authenticated and can edit the request account. So yeah, so each own account. So current user ID, yeah, or current ID. So this will work, and then is equal to ID. So this ID comes from params, and this ID comes from current users, and then can edit. So assign is own account, and then all the data we want to update, right? So current username means whatever data have, whatever data is, we can show. Yeah, so you can see what already is selected, right? Yeah, that's the thing. And then profile image and preview. So yeah, you can see here, this is the preview, and then redirect if unauthorized. So here we have, like, if you're not authentic users, so if you submit, you can redirect the user profile page, right? And then update form data when current user changes. So whatever you change, it can update instantly, right? Yeah, this is the code. And handle change means the input, right? The input, and the handle changes, like it's very same, name, file type, check. Yeah, and then handle image change, file, either target files, and then file, and this is a file format, and then set profile image for a file, and then set preview file, and these things and these things. Yeah, count users and profile image. We're accessing this. So yeah, we're accessing already this. If URL, if file is exist, that means we are selecting a new file, then we can show the preview, otherwise the previous one. Yeah, then handle submit, update data, and we are creating new data. So guys, as I told you, when you are uploading audio document, so we are not using for each, but here we are using for each, right? So you can convert, if you want to on upload, you can. And yeah, this is a form data instance. We use new keyword, and then object entries, form data, and then for each key value, and then append all the update data, key value, update data, and then profile image. If there is a profile image, so update profile image inside this update, and then fetch dispatch the update users, user ID, current user or current, yeah, in form data, and then yeah, after submitting, it navigate to user profile page. All right, and this is the UI. Update your account, error, handle submit. This is the form, so handle submit. And yeah, it's similar to update profile, like when you are sign up, it's similar to like form. So I'm not going to explain again because I explained to you a lot the form. So this is the input, and I think you guys know how input field work. So yeah, this is the gender, this is a select male, female, others, and profile picture, same input field, and then you also preview dot image and button, updating and update profile and link. So you can, this is the, so you can back to the profile. If you click on it again, so you can back to the things, back to the profile. Back to profile, right? This is a cancel. This is the update profile image, yeah, page. But now I want to show all the routes, because we have a lot of routes, but we are not discuss anything, right? So yeah, login, sign up. So I told you, like this is where it is, update user profile, right? Yeah, update users. So this is the ID. This is the ID. So we are getting this ID. Well, so if you are destructuring this ID from use params, okay, that means you have to set up this way, otherwise you cannot, otherwise the use params cannot understand what you're talking about, right? So yeah, so if you are using use params, and you have to destructure this way. So yeah, in audio player, you also see the ID, and yeah, this is the audio ID, and yeah, you have to use this ID this way. If you put audio ID, so you have to put here audio ID, not just only ID. So this is a dynamic ID. So yeah, and this is the route, guys. And yeah, search, yeah, search result, yeah, and all audios, upload audios, update user ID, and then library, and we are going to use the library, user profile, explore, and home. So far we talk about update profile, and now let's profile, right? So we're getting error. Why what happened? Yeah, so we talk about this, and yeah, and how we can achieve this UI, because yeah, and also it's gonna work. Delete account, edit profile, log out, right? I'm not gonna, because this because I upload a lot of content with this account, so if I delete all the this upload will be deleted. Yeah, and yeah, So let's how can I achieve this, UI, profile UI. It's very simple. I import all the basic, and then I don't have this pie chart, so remove it. And yeah, all the icon, and here you are importing three thunk function: fetch current users, logout users, delete users, and then yeah, we assign use dispatch, use navigate, current users, and update user loading, and from users. And yeah, if current user is not exist, call this function and dispatch current users. Now format the join date. Yeah, I think guys we use these things a lot. So yeah, if date is not there, make it none. Date, yeah, this is the instant. Return date, local date string in US format. Year, month, and numeric. Handle logout. So yeah, I call logout. So you guys see the way it works, similar to it gonna work. If you click on it, now boom, it's work. Now I'm back to my platform, right? So it's work. Delete account also gonna work. So yeah, handle delete. So window confirm, because you can see that this message, are you sure? Wanna delete your account? This account cannot be undone. So if you click on it, you can see the message. If you click on OK, your account will be deleted. So I cancel it. So I just call this, I dispatch this delete user account with this current user ID. And then after deletion, you can redirect to sign up page. Delete account failed. This message, so loading state with fetching user data. If data is not exist, so you can see that loading. Okay. And also you can redirect to login if no current user fetch failed. So yeah, login, which means if you're not login, so it redirect you to login page. Yeah, and this is a UI, this entire UI, right? This is a this is a error message, and yeah, fast profile image, and all the name, username, current user date, yeah, name, profile, user date, account and creator section. This section. If you check on mobile versions, you can check profile. So yeah, in mobile screen you can see this way. Yeah, it's look pretty good. Yeah, you can optimize. You can play with this, logic, or maybe the function. You can add as many as you want. So you can. So it's up to you guys. And also, yeah, then the section is account. So update users. You can go. Yeah, this is the edit profile. So this way you can, yeah, update users. So we are using use params. So yeah, this is the dynamic user ID, right? Yeah, and this is the handle logout. So you can log out, login out, or log out. If it takes time, so you can see login out, or if you don't, just you can instantly log out. For yeah, handle delete account, same things, deleting delete account, and then creator section. We have creator, upload audio, upload content, right? Yeah, this is the profile. So yeah, and now we talk about profile, and let's work with library. So library, this is a library, right? So we have these two sections. So whatever document you save or you like, you can access it, you can see here. If you click on it, so you can go through that player page, right? Yeah. So guys, yeah, wow. So we import all the basic things. As you know, we also fetch current users, right? And yeah, so current users, loading error users, then dispatch, fetch user data on mount is not loaded. If current user is not there, then fetch current user, catch failed to load library, please try again, and then form the date for display. So same things we will talk about it. Form date, and then handle retry on error, handle retry. If there is something, so you can retry. And loading skeleton for cards, library like this. Yeah, and then render skeleton, right? Say skeleton, you can see nothing else. And then render audio card. So yeah, list key item class, the link audio slash item audio id. So yeah, so if you look at here, if you click on it, so you can we can go, yeah, we can visit that audio player page. So that is the things. And then yeah, item audio id thumbnail url. And then yeah, so untitled audio, and then yeah, class name loading, item audio id title, and form data item like save, and this is the main render. So we already did structure, and now we have to call here library, like heading your library, and then error. If you get an error, show the message. Loading state, yeah, so this loading. If loading and current does not exist, show this message. So yeah, render skeleton. So you already define above, and now you call it. And then if loading, if there is no loading and current user exists, then show first a like audio section. Yeah, current user like audio length is greater than, then show this, otherwise show this invalid audio id. And we map it item audio id and type, and then object, and then render audio card item like, similar for save audio. So save audios, and yeah, so similarly we map into the save audio array, and then we fetch, we render all the things, and we call it render audio card, right? And yeah, this is the library page. So it's very pretty simple. Like if you understand one logic, so you can imply in different file page, right? So yeah, we talk about profile, we talk about library, and now so we understand this library, right? Let's work with this explore page, right? And explore page is very simple because we already create this input, and already we create this all audios. Just we have to integrate. Let's see man. Explore page. So search input, import all audios, import, right? And yeah, this is a search input, and this is a search, yeah, we call it, and then audio card we call it, and this is a route, and yeah, nothing else. And all the things just padding, and yeah, padding, width, margin, and yeah, if I show you this, if I show you, so you can see explore page, right? Yeah, yeah. So the explore page is very, like, integrated. There is no logic inside here. Yeah, so like this is all about page. As I told you, all the code, all the features we talk about inside the features folder. And now also, if you look at the home page, inside home page, just we also integrate all audios. So guys, now it's time to see app routes. So you can see like nothing else. App routes. Yeah. So this is the home. This is the home route. Just slice. This is the explore route. Explore. User profile. We have user profile. Library. We have just library. Now with users, we are using dynamic ID, and this ID should be accessed inside any field with use params. And upload audio, all audios, audio, right? So guys, this is the entire project is finished, right? This is the home page, right? You can click on it, you can go, you can visit audio player, you can like, you can unsave, you can comment, whatever it is. You can play the
Your
music,
feelings want comfort.
you can skip, you can reduce, you can increase, you can speed up, you can speed
Fighting
up.
the same person, yourself. The one who wants to quit, who avoids pain.
Right, so this is the home page. This is the explore page. You can search the content. Let's say I'm searching mindset. I'm searching mindset, and you can go through all the mindset. Mindset is important. Mindset are everything. Mindset change everything. Mental toughness and discipline. Obsession is not right. So this is the pagination, right? And we have same content because in mindset we have this 6 content. So that's why, yeah. And this is the explore page, and yeah, you can search here, you can search here also. This is the profile page, this is the library page, and yeah, whatever library you can, if you remove, so yeah, let's say I want to remove these things, so yeah, you cannot see anything. Library, now you have just one, like audio, right? So yeah, so yes guys, this is the audio streaming platform. And trust me, on this platform I'm gonna share a lot of project with real application. I'm gonna complete, I will upload most of the real application which are $1 billion company, so their website, their platform. And if you like this video, okay, if you like this video, please share this video to your friend and comment something. And yeah, subscribe my channel if you want to get similar video on coming future. So yeah, go for it, man. Thank you for watching, and I hope guys you can practice it, because the more practice you are doing, the better understanding of technology you should have. So thank you for watching the series.